Okay, so thank you for watching this video. In this video, I'm going to quickly run you through exactly how we're helping solar companies sell a lot more solar and close a lot more deals simply by creating AI generated videos to send a crazy amount of traffic to their website literally 24/7. All right, so check this out. I'm going to go over to Instagram here. You can see this is one of the companies we work with. You can see they have currently 60,000 followers. And if you scroll down on their timeline, you can see the comments that they're getting, like 200 comments, 288 comments. They're getting a lot of engagement on their posts. But the thing is, all of these posts are all AI generated videos that are educating their clients on the process of everything. And as you can see, they're getting a tremendous, this post right here got 1,400 comments, 254 comments. So I'm going to walk you through the exact strategy that they're using to generate a crazy amount of traffic to their websites. Now, this is a 5-step strategy, and I'm going to walk you through it. Now, for the sake of this video, I want you to pretend your current business is stuck on this island here, right? This is your current state. And in order to get to the desired state, which is, as you can see, closed deals, appointments, and solar installs, in order to get to this state right here, the desired state, we gotta pull on these 5 pillars to create a bridge that's going to easily take us over to this side here. So I'm going to explain these 5 pillars to you now. All right. So the first pillar is a foundation. Just like anything, you need a good foundation that you can build on, add on top on. Imagine a house. If you're building a house, you're going to need to build a great foundation that's going to withstand hurricanes, storms, and all of that kind of stuff. So how we build that foundation for your business is we start by rebuilding your website. If you already have one, 99% of solar websites were built wrong and with the wrong principles. So we're going to completely overhaul your solar website. If you don't have a website, then we're going to recreate one for you. As you can see, some of the examples of the websites that we build. Now, the main things on your website that are going to be super important to help you convert even more leads is the Google Solar API, which is pretty much a free tool from Google that allows people to type in their address, how much they pay for electricity currently, and Google will give them an estimate on exactly how much it'll cost to go solar and a savings report essentially. And from that savings report, they're able to schedule a meeting with your company. Um, Another feature we add to your website is the phone verification. So when somebody goes through that form, on the last page, we actually send them a text message to their phone number with a code, and the only way they could get that information is by entering that code. This verifies that they're actually a real person, their phone number is real, and we give them access to that information. Now, as you know, attention is the new currency nowadays, right? With the more followers, the more engagement you have on your posts, the more popular you are, the more money you make essentially. So we're going to be creating AI faceless videos, and these videos are what we like to call edutaining content, which is content that educates, not only educates, but entertains people. Because, I mean, on social media, people have very small attention spans. So we got to create videos that are going to keep them watching, but not only keep them watching, it's going to educate them at the same time on the benefits of going solar. And then also we retarget the engaged viewers with even more videos, because if they like the videos that we send them, we retarget them with even more videos to get them to take action, go on the form, and actually give us their information. And then also the viral videos that we get. Let's say we get a video that's getting a lot of engagement, a lot of comments. What we can do is we can boost those videos on the Google platform, YouTube, Facebook, and also TikTok. And then we have separate campaigns for all of these as well. And then for lead generation, that takes us over to lead generation. So for lead generation, what we're doing is, a lot of people don't know this, but Google actually has a service called Google Local Listing Ads. And this is a pay per lead service, and Google puts you at the top of their listings for whatever keyword that you want to rank for. And essentially what that is, if anybody in your local area is searching for solar, you're going to be at the top with a guaranteed badge, and it's pay per lead. So you only pay when you get a lead, and if for whatever reason the lead doesn't pan out, Google actually gives you a refund. And then, like I mentioned, we also have separate campaigns for Google Ads and YouTube, Facebook, and then TikTok as well. And this is completely optional if you want to drive more traffic to your website and get more leads. It's completely optional if you want to do that. And then, of course, if you're generating leads, you're going to need a way to convert those leads into actual booked appointments. So our conversion mechanism uses AI. We use AI to do text, and we're texting people on WhatsApp, Facebook, and IG. And this is an automated bot that texts with valuable information to help people schedule appointments with you. When people are ready to schedule appointments, we also have an AI voice setter that's going to call these people, set the appointment, place it on your schedule, and essentially book the appointment for you. Now, of course, this is where you step in and, of course, go on the appointment, whether virtual or in person, and try to close that deal. Now, let's say you close the deal, everything is going good. We also have a referral system to get you even more installs after you close the deal. So after an install, we have our AI caller call the people that you've installed to do an interview. It's also going to ask them for referrals, neighbors, friends, family, of anybody else that they can recommend so that you can help go solar. What that does is it turns that content into a case study, and that case study is then used to send to everybody that we're trying to convert. So it's a never ending flywheel of generating attention, generating leads, converting those leads, and sending them to our referral pipeline to generate you even more sales from that initial sale. All of these steps create the bridge to take you to your desired state. And like I said, the desired state is filled with nothing but booked appointments, happy customers saving money, and installs. So that's the process that we use to get you a lot of traffic to your website and help you convert that traffic into actual booked appointments and closed sales. I'd love to walk you through this in person if this is something that you think you can implement or you'd want to implement into your business. Just schedule a call with whoever sent this video to you, whether it's myself or one of my teammates, and we'll be happy to sit down with you for 10-15 minutes, walk you through exactly how we could implement the system specifically for your business. I appreciate you watching to the end, and I'll see you hopefully on the meeting. Take care.